There are a lot of people around you who are looking for experts to fix their maintenances and life's minor inconveniences. Are you a mechanic, an electrician, a plumber? How about a beautician? Or expert in any other industry? And wondering how you find new clients to get paid more? Meet your new BAAS. BAAS app helps you find jobs nearby that fit to your skill set with just 3 easy steps. Pick a job. Bid your price. Bid your price? Yeah, bid your price and complete the job. BAAS customers submit their job requests with photos, videos, and with fully detailed descriptions. This gives you the opportunity to be your own boss and make your best offer by bidding on the job. The best part is you can also see other experts' bids on the same job and how high and low your competition bid is. This gives you an opportunity to change your bid to better match for the win. Yes, it's that easy, convenient, and for free. Once you won the job, BAAS will provide you with a Google Map location and contact information for your new job. Once the job is completed, you can take pictures, videos, and reviews to build your own profile and, most importantly, get paid. You can work up to 5 different broad categories on your own BAAS schedule while getting paid weekly. Don't waste your time. Become a BAAS expert and start working today with a free subscription.